Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're watching a guy make his video. Okay, his name is Chris, and he's actually don't have a channel, but he's actually making now, but he's not gonna post any. He just want to make. So this is vlog. Make sure to support me because I'm supporting some YouTuber. This is his look. That's the guy. You can see the video.
27 and it's gonna be 6 p.m. or 1 p.m. or
I'm gonna do.
but this subscribing help me a lot, and
Okay, we're back in another one, and this is the full video.
make sure to like and subscribe.
This is a full
See
video,
you
guys.
next time, and we're gonna make a secret video in August 24.